Delta Airlines is the first public pension in Valor. And this is a milestone for our team that we're extremely excited about. So I'd like to start with, Jon, why is an incredible, iconic leader like Delta looking at emerging managers and frankly, Valor?
Right, Lisa, I'll give you two answers to that question. The first one is short, the next one might be a little bit longer. But like we do with all things, we think that you're going to make us attractive risk-adjusted returns. So that's number one. Why do we think that? We think that because you've got an above-average funnel. It's kind of the way that we think about it. So this is from the first couple of sessions today. You talked about sourcing. Sourcing is incredibly important. How wide is the top of your funnel and what goes in there, right? So quantity of deal flow matters to us. Quality of deal flow matters to us. Differentiation of deal flow matters to us, and that, that'll prove to be a big part of the answer as well. So you've got a good top of the funnel, and then you've got to filter what's in there to get down to the the pie chart you showed at the beginning. You accept 0 points. You've got term sheets on 0.6% of your deals. So are you doing a good job at figuring that out? We like to see feedback loops, right? Why did you reject what you rejected? Why did you accept what you accepted? And where were the mistakes and how can you get better? So process is a big deal for us. Data analysis is a big deal for us. Really just trying to strive to get better. Even on what comes out of the funnel, we think you guys are abnormally thoughtful, right? So how do you size, how many deals do you want to have in a fund, and how do you size those deals? What are the risks? How do you avoid the zeros? How do you weight the different deals that you've got? So that is another big piece of it. And then one that's important to us, and this is really kind of out of the, we heard about Bain a little bit earlier, so a little bit out of the private equity playbook, but we like operational capability. We like active owners. And look, this can be a two-way street, and I know there's a lot of founders out there, and I'm sure you'll agree with me. Sometimes maybe you don't want to hear from the capital providers into your company, but I think you've really built a team that can serve as an accelerator and as a sounding board to make better decisions, to have founders get their feet on the ground, to say, look, maybe this is your first time or even your second time, but we've worked with so many founders and we've learned so much, and these are mistakes that we've seen, and this is maybe how you can avoid it. So taking an active role to get to profitability faster and to grow a little bit more. We think you're going to make money for us.